Hello everyone, welcome you all to the another tutorial that's based on Tic Tac Toe Game. As you can see in my backdrop picture, as you can see here, the output is where we are making Tic Tac Toe Game. So I think you all know how we play Tic Tac Toe. Let me show you. This is my game palette, okay, and here this is a gaming board. Here I will play first, so my turn is the cross, okay? My opponent will play as 0, okay? Now I will play cross. My opponent plays 0, cross. Oh yes, X won. I won the game. So this way we are going to make tic-tac-toe game, and let's start to create this game. First of all, you will open the new tab. You will go to the RAPL, and here I will come over here, so you can create the REPL. The very first thing that you need is you will take the board, like you will make the board first. So I'm just creating my REPL over here, and I will start writing down the code for tic-tac-toe board. The code is bit longer because you will be making a complete code, so don't be get bored. Just try to understand the concept, then it is very easy for you. So I will do some very basic changes over here. So the very first thing is we will import the library, that is import turtle. This is a very basic thing. Then we are taking screen is equals to turtle dot screen. Okay, then the next setup I'm making is for screen setup, screen dot setup. So it will be 800 and 800, 800 and 800. And then I will give a screen title, screen dot title. So the title will be Jack. So this will be the title. After giving the title, I am giving some screen set world coordinates. Actually, we have to set the coordinates for the screen. Okay, so this should be with the dot we will indicate. Okay, so this is set world coordinates, and here the coordinates I'm putting as -5, -5, 5, 5. These are the coordinates. Then the next part is screen dot bg color. So bg color, that means the background color of the screen I want as light green color. So light gray, sorry. So I'm taking light gray color for the background. And then screen tracker, actually this will track the screen, and I'm just giving like it as 0, 0. This is actually the coordinates. And here I will write turtle dot hide turtle. Actually, when turtle will be onto the screen initially, it should be hide. Okay, so if you run the code, then you can find in the output that there's nothing, like its REPL process died unexpectedly. Actually, it's showing that it's not coming over here right now, so it's fine. When we complete down the code, then it will show us onto the screen. Don't worry about it. Now the next part is I want to create some functions. So first I will create the function for drawing the board. As you all know, for drawing the board, actually I have the code for drawing the board. It's very big otherwise, so that's why directly I'm just copy paste the function, and I will explain you the function for drawing the board. So let's understand this function. Here it is saying define draw board. Draw board is your function name, and in this line it is saying turtle dot pen color is green, pen size is 10, pen up, go to the position, turtle, set, down, forward, up, go to. Actually it is telling my turtle to going to the position, like this is first position, then do something, second position, then do something, third position, then do something. So this is actually the code. Just review it properly. You can pause the video if you don't able to see that. Okay, so I'll scroll this down slowly, gradually. So you can pause the screen and watch the code for drawing the board of the turtle. So right now I'm not calling this function, I'm just directly, just making the function. So I have to make functions like for turtle board, second function will be circle. So a third function will be draw X, then draw the pieces like I want. So that functions we want, and then game over function, like how the game will over, how the game, how you will win the game. Okay, and how you will play. Okay, that's all we want. So how you will play, how you will do this and that, and then all together at the end I will call all the functions together, means I will call all the function all together. So this is the function for drawing the board. Now next function that I'm going to create is drawing the circle. So I'll just come over here and I will write define draw circle. Make sure whenever you will be writing down any function name, don't give any space. You can use colons, don't give dash even, just give colons only. Okay, so here I am defining the function that draw circle xy, and here the colon is given. Why this colon is saying that this is okay? Let's see, when we write down something, then I think it will be resolved. It's not resolving. Why? Let me check this out. So this will be circle x, y, and here I put colon. Why this is telling me that colon is wrong? Forward the 6 is fine. Define draw board is fine. Draw circle. I think this will be capital X and Y. No. Okay, let's figure out. I'll check it out. Hmm. Okay. Here turtle is written, that's why it is giving us an error, I think. Yeah. Okay, so I'm writing just turtle dot up. Then the next code is turtle dot go to. Let me check. Unindented. Okay. It is unindented. It should be like this. That's why it was so. It was showing. Okay, so now it will be like XC. Indentation is very important in Python. X, Y is equals to 0.75, like Y minus 0.75. These are the parameters, you have to measure, you have to work on the particular part properly, then only you will get to know about all this. So here I will write, and this will be here. Okay. Now the next part is turtle dot, and that will be 0. Turtle dot color, that will be red. And turtle dot down, and turtle dot circle, that will be 0.75. steps is equals to 100. And then we will find the function, like another function. So we have various functions over here. Like for this class, we will do only this much code. And in next class, I will let you know how to code further. So you can check your code here. So everyone, the next part of the Tic Tac Toe game you will find in the next video. Till then, bye bye. See you again.